In this video, we listed the 5 best digital microscopes on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Elikliv EDM201 SE. The Elikliv EDM201 SE 7-inch digital microscope with 10-inch stand is a high-definition digital microscope with a 7 HD LCD large screen display, adjustable 10 LED light, and a 12MP 1080p camera microscope with wireless control. It offers precise magnification ratios of 1200x, supports PC Windows connection, and allows for the identification of coins and jewelry. This digital microscope functions as a tool for electronics, soldering repair, and mobile phone repair, and it comes with a built-in battery that can be fully charged or connected to a power source for use. With advanced features like an IPS screen and a longer stand, it provides a premium viewing experience and the ability to see entire coins easily. Number 2. Andonstar AD210 Microscope. The Andonstar AD210 digital microscope is equipped with a 10.1-inch adjustable LCD screen and offers a magnification of 260x. It features a 2-megapixels HD sensor, with video resolutions of FHD 1920 by 1080 30 fps, 1080p 1440 by 1080 30 fps, and 720p 1280 by 720 30 fps. The microscope supports photo resolutions up to 12 4032 by 3024, and comes with a microSD card slot for storage, up to 32G. The package includes a metal stand, remote control, dimmer cable, metal clips, and a user manual. With a power source of USB 5 VDC, this microscope also features 2 fill lights and built-in LEDs. It has language support for 12 types and is certified with CE, FCC, ROHS. The Andonstar AD210 digital microscope is an ideal tool for electronics, PCB, SMD inspection, and soldering. Number 3. Elikliv EM4K Flex Microscope. The Elikliv EM4K Flex 10.1-inch 4K digital microscope offers unmatched detail in images and videos, thanks to Sony tech. This 4K microscope allows for vibrant discoveries and true colors with its wide color gamut. It comes with a flex boom arm stand, ring light, soldering mat, light barrier, USB cables, and a 64G memory card. With magnification ranging from 1500x to 3000x, and a maximum of 2000x, this microscope provides crisp clarity and wide focus marver for enhanced observation. It is designed for use in electronics repair, offering a wider vision and greater clarity. The Elikliv EM4K is a versatile tool for exploring the micro world in ultra clarity and is suitable for various devices such as laptops and televisions. Number 4. Andonstar 2000X Microscope. The Andonstar AD246 SM is a 7-inch trinocular digital microscope designed for PC connection, ideal for PCB solder check and SMT/SMD repair. It features a 4-megapixels high-definition sensor, UHD 2160p video output, and a magnification ratio of up to 2000x. The microscope comes with a metal stand, 3 lenses, slide holder, remote, and various cables and accessories. It also supports storage via microSD card and is powered by 5 VDC. With a 7-inch screen and a maximum photo resolution of 4032 by 3024, this microscope offers high-definition imaging and is suitable for a range of industrial and professional applications. Number 5. TOMLOV DM202 Microscope. The TOMLOV DM202 digital microscope features a larger 10.1-inch display and an extended 10-inch stand, making it easier to view and work with small items such as coins and electronic components. It offers HDMI and USB output for a larger view, with a wide zoom range of 3x, 1300x and touch control LED fill lights. Their Microscope comes with a 16MP HD camera and a 32GB micro SD card for storage. It is compatible with Windows and Mac operating systems, and comes with a variety of accessories including an aluminum base, remote control, HDMI cable, USB cables, and an anti-glare hood. The updated design provides a better viewing experience for electronics repair, collection checking, and coin observation.